Students, today I am going to revise for your annual examination. The first Roman is choose the correct answer. How many hollow teeth does a snake have? Hollow teeth. How many hollow teeth does a snake have? The answer for that is 2 hollow teeth. Next one. How many types of poisonous snakes are found in India? 4. So how many types of poisonous snakes are found in India? 4. The next question is, dash sweet is crushed by Julan. Jaggery. Jaggery sweet is crushed by Julan. Fourth one. From which country cabbage reached India? Europe. Godzilla is a combination of 9 legs. How many legs? 9 legs. Sixth question. The empty plastic bottle floats on water. Dash on water they have given. The answer for that is floats on water. Seventh one. Dash deficiency causes anemia in our body. Iron deficiency. What's the answer for that? Iron. Eighth question. Tekla village is at the height of 1600 meters. How many meters? 1600 meters. The ninth one. Outer wall of the fort has dash basitons. How many basitons? 87 basitons. The dash was the first man to walk on the moon. Who is that person? Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. The second Roman is match the following. Oil and water. Answer for that is do not mix. Oil and water do not mix. Second one, piece of ice. Piece of ice always float on sugar cane juice. Answer for piece of ice is floats on sugar cane juice. Third one, empty plastic bottle. Empty plastic bottle floats on water. The fourth one, bottle full of water. Answer for that is sinks in water. The next one is fifth question. Anopheles. Anopheles answer is malaria. Anopheles is causes malaria. Iron deficiency, anemia. Stagnant water, breeding of mosquito. Stagnant water causes breeding of mosquito. Medicine to cure is cinchona tree is used for medicine. Pull of earth is called gravity. Pull of earth is called gravity. Blue part of the globe. It what represents means it represents seas. Blue part of the globe it represents seas. Next, third Roman is true or false. The first question is snakes don't have ears. Yes, true, because it does not have the ears. There is no benefit of keeping hen. Hen if you are keeping there is no benefit. No, it's having the benefit. So they have given the false statement. The answer for this is false. Third one. Anyone can capture wild animals? No. Everyone not possible to capture the wild animals. So this statement is false. Fourth one. One can identify clove by its smell. Yes, true. Bread will not spoil up to 1 month. It spoils. So this is false statement. Pitcher plant kills insects. Yes, it's true. Water on earth is for everyone. Yes, water is on earth is present for everyone. So it's true. Malaria spread vastly in the season of summer. No, it's false. Actually, it spreads in the season of winter only. So they have given the false statement. Eighth one is false. Ninth one. We should write name of the historical monuments. No, it's false. Fort has fountains on the roof. Yes, it has the fountains on the roof. So it's true. Next, fourth Roman is answer the following in short. In this 7 questions will be given. You have to attend 5 questions. Why do lizards not seen in winters? Why we are not seeing the lizards in winter? They are asking. Because lizards go on a long deep sleep in winters called hibernation to protect themselves from cold. During cold season, what the lizards do means it goes for a long deep sleep. It sleeps for a more days. So only it's getting prevent from the winter. So only we are not seeing in the winter season. Next, second question is, Why are snakes a treasure for the saparas? Snake charmers earn a living by entertaining people by their snakes and playing the bean. Why snakes is very important for them means because by entertaining that only they are living their life. So it's important for the snake charmers. Third question, what is the main function of the tongue? What are the four types of taste? See, to taste the food we need a tongue. What types of taste it can taste means sweet, salty, sour, bitter. These four types of taste it can taste it. Next, fourth question, what can you do to minimize your water bill? Yes, how we can minimize our water bill? We should save water, use water wisely and collect rainwater. By this process, we can minimize our water bill. Next, what kind of diet is suggested for a patient of anemia? Food rich in iron like amla, jaggery, apple, banana and green leafy vegetables. These type of food items are selected for a patient of anemia because it gives a strength. So only these type of foods are selected. Next, what is a rappelling? Rappelling is a special way to coming down from a mountain. That is from that way only the mountain traveling takes place. So that place only we call it as a rappelling. Special way we are using for mountain. Seventh one, what are bastions? Why holes were made in the bastions? Actually, bastions are the part of a wall that comes out in a round shape. It is present in the fort place only these bastions are present. It's like a part of wall. It will be in what shape means it will be in round shape. Okay. Next, we are going to see 5 mark questions. The first question is, in what ways do human beings make use of this special sense of smell of dogs? Actually, we know that dogs have a special sense of smell. Human beings, in what are the ways they are using, we are going to see. The first one is for catching criminals. Then for deducting stolen goods. If someone stolen something, that we can deduct. Then for deducting bombs. For these things, we are using the dog smell. Next, second question. What does the plant trap insects? How does the plant trap insects? See how the plant is trapping the insects. That is capturing the insects that we are going to see. The plant has a sweet smell which attracts insects. Actually, the plant, what type of smell it has means it has a sweet smell. So, insects goes and attacks there. Then when the insects comes near the pitcher plant, it slips into the pitcher shaped plant itself. It slipped because its shape is like capturing. So the insects go inside of that plant. The leaflet quickly closes and the trapped insect is not able to come out. Like this way only this plant is trapping the insect. Next, third question. Who does Dr. Beaumont? What did he find? Okay, Dr. Beaumont is who is that person and what he found. That only we are going to see. Actually, Dr. Beaumont treated Martin who was shot in his stomach. He did many experiments to find out how food gets digested and how digestive system works. Okay, wow. His actually digestive juices works that is taking place inside of our digestive system. He took many experiments regarding digestion of foods. Next, fourth question. Why is it important to read the date of expiry of food item before buying it? We actually, when we are going to the shop, we have to look after the manufacturing date and expiry date. It's very important for our health. So we will see why it's important. It is unsafe to eat the food item whose expiry date is over. If expiry date is over in that food item, we should not eat. It is not good for our health. If we eat, what happens means we will fall sick. That is why we should read the expiry date before buying something food items. Okay. Next question, fifth question. What is larvae? What do they look like and how do they spread disease? Is actually larvae is just nothing. It's a baby mosquito. Baby mosquito only we call it as larvae. How it will be looking means it is thread-like grey colored creature. Its creature itself like grey color. It grows up to become an adult mosquito and spread. After that only it spread diseases. After becoming an adult it spread diseases. Next, sixth question. How was the water lifted to big tanks and fountains on the roof? If any tanks and fountains are present on the roof, means how the water is going up and how it's giving a nature creature, it will be very looking very nice, is it no? From the fountains, if a water is falling, it will be very nice. How we will see? With the help of drum, toothed wheel and poles, the water was carried up from water reservoir and sent to fountains and big tank through clay pipelines. Actually, during those days, they used the clay pipelines. Through that only, they were transferring the water from to the big tanks and fountains on the roof. Next, seventh question. How did Sunita describe her view of the earth from space? From space, just she is describing her view, how she is looking. Sunita says, earth looks very beautiful from the space and amazing. She's saying very, very beautiful and amazing when she look out from the space, and there are no lines on the land. Actually, we are seeing in the globe that there are more lines, no, but when we are looking at the space, we can't able to see any lines. Only the blue oceans and land are visible from the space. Okay students, so in this actually for your annual exam contains 18 marks, written 18 marks, and how you have done your Google test form and how your attendance were present, according to that remaining 20 marks will be given. All the best for your exam. Write well. All the best, students.